Hello everyone, this is DJ from Beyond the Lens Productions, bringing with me today a review of the Smart Leather cleaner and conditioner for your leather seats in your vehicle. It's actually an excellent product. I picked it up at the dealer just to see how it would work, and I'm quite happy with it thus far. So I just take one of these shop towels, which are fairly soft and disposable, so after I use them and they get dirty, then I can just throw them away. Now you pour a little bit on here. You don't use too much, as you can see. I didn't get too crazy with it. And then spread it around with a shop towel, making sure to get in all the crevices and around the edges. You know, depends on how long it's been since you've treated your leather, but mine's probably been about 3 or 4 months, so I didn't need to use too much. So you spread it around like this. One thing I do like about this cleaner and conditioners, and actually lasts very well too. I only really do it about 3 times a year. It's going to depend on what you do for work, and you know, if you have pets or kids in here, how often you're going to do it. But overall, I'm quite impressed. The treated and untreated seat looks much shinier and dark. All in all, I'm quite happy with this product, so I mean, I would recommend it to anybody with leather seating in their vehicle. Anyhow, now I'm going to let this dry and soak in, and if needed afterwards, I will wipe it off. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, please hit the like button down below so you'll show some support, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and you will be notified of any upcoming reviews or videos that I have coming up. Have a great day, guys.